Hello friends, is your car showing a check engine light, struggling with fuel efficiency, or failing emissions tests? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0426, this video is for you. This error code is related to the catalyst temperature sensor, a crucial part of your car's exhaust system. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine performance problems, excessive emissions, and possible damage to your catalytic converter. In this video, I'll explain what P0426 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0426 error code stands for Catalyst Temperature Sensor Range Performance, Bank 1. The catalyst temperature sensor monitors the temperature of the catalytic converter to ensure it's functioning properly. If the ECU detects that the temperature readings are too high, too low, or fluctuating abnormally, it triggers P0426. Common symptoms of P0426: check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, increased emissions and exhaust smell, engine hesitation or loss of power, possible overheating of the catalytic converter, and failed emissions test. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the key components that might be causing this issue. The catalyst temperature sensor and related components can be found in these locations. The catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system, between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. The catalyst temperature sensor is mounted directly on or near the catalytic converter to measure temperature. The upstream oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor 1, is found before the catalytic converter, typically in the exhaust manifold or downpipe. The downstream oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor 2, is located after the catalytic converter to monitor emissions levels. Wiring and fuses for the catalyst sensor are usually located in the engine bay fuse box, or near the catalytic converter wiring harness. Tip sensor locations may vary depending on your car's make and model. Check your service manual for precise details. Common causes of P0426 include: first, a faulty catalyst temperature sensor. If the sensor fails or provides inaccurate readings, the ECU may trigger P0426. Second, wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wires can cause signal errors. Third, a faulty catalytic converter. A damaged or clogged catalytic converter can trap heat and lead to incorrect sensor readings. Fourth, exhaust system leaks. If there's a leak before the catalytic converter, it may cause incorrect temperature readings. Lastly, a blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse or relay failure can disrupt power to the sensor, triggering the code. How to fix P0426? Well, let's go through the steps. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0426 code and check for any related codes. Step 2. Locate the catalyst temperature sensor and inspect the wiring and connectors for any damage. Step 3. Test the catalyst temperature sensor with a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 4. Inspect the catalytic converter for any signs of overheating, clogging, or damage. Step 5. Check for exhaust leaks near the catalytic converter and repair any leaks you find. Step 6. Inspect the fuses and relays related to the catalyst sensor and replace them if necessary. Finally, Step 7. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and take your vehicle for a test drive. So, in summary, the P0426 error code can lead to poor fuel economy, engine performance issues, and even emissions test failures. If you see this code, make sure to inspect the catalyst temperature sensor oxygen sensors and the catalytic converter for any faults. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0134, oxygen sensor circuit no activity detected, Bank 1 sensor 1, and P0135, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, Bank 1 sensor 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.